माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू केमिस्ट्री क्लास। हम लोग पिछले क्लास में कैटलिस्ट के बारे में स्टडी कर रहे थे और उसके फीचर्स स्टडी किया था। आज हम लोग बायोकेमिकल कैटलिस्ट स्टडी करेंगे। बायोकेमिकल कैटलिस्ट एंजाइम कहलाता है। एंजाइम्स आर द बायोकेमिकल कैटलिस्ट which perform a specific function. They are the globular proteins having high molar mass. They are specific. They work efficiently. They increase the rate 10 to the power 8 to 10 to the power 20 times. They are active at optimum temperature and optimum pH. The optimum temperature is 298 to 310 Kelvin. At this temperature, enzymes work efficiently. Enzymes play an important role in many biochemical processes. The decomposition of urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide takes place in the presence of urease enzyme. Similarly, the decomposition of protein into amino acid takes place in the presence of trypsin. Protein breaks up into peptides in the presence of pepsin. A streptokinase is used to dissolve blood clot. Maltose, having formula C12H22O11, undergoes hydrolysis to give 2 units of glucose in the presence of maltase. Therefore, maltase catalyzes the hydrolysis of maltose into glucose. Similarly, sucrose, having the molecular formula C12H22O11, undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of invertase to give glucose and fructose. Glucose, upon fermentation in the presence of zymase enzyme, breaks up into ethanol, that is ethyl alcohol, and carbon dioxide. This reaction is designed such a way that it allows carbon dioxide but entry of air is prevented. These are the some enzyme catalyzed reaction. I hope you have already understood what is enzyme, and now you have studied enzyme as catalyst or as biochemical catalyst. What are the characteristics of enzymes? The activity of enzyme is enhanced by coenzymes or promoters. Metal ions are the promoters, Cu plus 2, Mn plus 2, Co plus 2. These are the promoters which catalyze enzyme catalyzed reaction. Its mechanism is based on key-lock model. Enzymes have certain functionalized unit on their surface, which are the reactive site for the biochemical reaction. In the next video, we will study the mechanism of enzyme catalyzed reaction. That's all today. God bless you. All the best. Be happy. Try to write all the biochemical processes, biochemical reactions which takes place in the presence of enzymes. That's all today.